My name is NG Onyeukwu Master. I want to say big thank you to Gama Award Malaysia 2012. Man, I appreciate you for appreciating me, for giving me the Gold Award, Best African Male Artist with Hit Song featuring Timaya Onyeukwu, and also good for Best Collaboration with the hit song Mary J featuring Kelly Hanson, and also a good with hit song Mary J featuring Kelly Hanson and tiled the song of the year Daryl David, and also Silver Award in the Best R&B Artist with his song Survivor. Man, a big thanks, to Gama. I thank you all for doing this, and also for my fans out there, man, I wanna thank you. I appreciate you all. I thank you for making it the best, I ain't easy, but I still want to tell you guys out there, please keep doing it. I'm your boy, NG Onyeukwu Master.